Ever wonder what a frittata is? It's similar to a quiche but without the crust, and it's typically made with whisked eggs with fillings of veggies, meats, and cheeses. And it's cooked in a skillet and sometimes finished in the oven. So that's exactly what we're going to be making today, so let's get started. Okay, first we're going to take 8 eggs, and we're going to be using a 12-inch cast iron skillet, so 8 eggs should be more than enough. And we're going to put all of our eggs in here. And just like that, they're going to be finished. Next, we're going to take just some 2% milk, a quarter cup. Put that in there with the eggs. Next, I'm going to put some black pepper, some salt. And measurements, remember, measurements will be in the description box down below. We're going to just whisk these together. Next, we're going to set that aside and make sure that you already have some freshly minced garlic ready. We've done that in advance. And green onion. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut up some baby portobello mushrooms. If you need to, you can always wipe the dirt off. We're going to go ahead and take the stems off. Obviously, if you want to use them, you can. They are edible. We're just going to slice them up. Okay, and we're just going to cut off the ends of the cherry tomato. You're just going to half them. Okay, so after we're done cutting our ingredients, make sure you also have your oven preheated at 400 degrees. We're going to take about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to heat the cast iron skillet up nice and hot. And the cast iron skillet is the preferred choice of skillet because you can also put them in the oven, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to fish it off in the oven. So we're going to go ahead and throw in some freshly minced garlic, and we're going to cook this a little bit. Okay, and we're going to throw our mushrooms in with the garlic. And we're going to cook those for a couple minutes until they start to soften. As those start to soften, let's go ahead and add our cherry tomatoes. Let's throw some green onion in here. And we're going to take uncooked spinach, and we're going to cook this just until it starts to wilt. Okay, you want to make sure that the ingredients are evenly dispersed throughout the pan. And now we're going to pour our whisked eggs. Just kind of pick it up and make sure it's just evenly dispersed. And I'm going to leave this on the stove a minute or two before transferring it to the oven. And we're going to take some sharp cheddar and just sprinkle this on the top. And then we're going to place this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for about 15-20 minutes or until it sets. All right, and we had taken this out. We took ours out a couple minutes early before the 15-20 minute mark because ours cooked a little bit faster. But remember, ovens do vary. And this is what it looks like. Does not look good. And we're going to go ahead and put some garnishes. We're just going to top ours with some extra green onion. But you can remember, you can use whatever types of garnishes or ingredients that you want. You can put sausages, meats, and just different veggies, herbs, whatever you would like. Remember, it's your frittata, and you make it the way you like to make it. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this and see what this looks like. Okay, and here's the slice. Look at that. Now that looks good. Got a little bit of every ingredient in there. Got our tomatoes, our spinach, mushrooms, the cheese. My green onions fell off, so I'm going to put some more on here. Just for a little extra garnish. If this video was at all helpful to you, go ahead and press that like button. Give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you are going to try this recipe. And if you do, let us know what kind of ingredients you're going to put in your frittata. Also, make sure that you check out our latest video uploads.